That sinking feeling. You open the letter or you get the email and there it is in bold print, denied. It's a gut punch that feels deeply personal. This decision based on a mysterious 3-digit number can feel like a roadblock to your entire life. It's the difference between driving off the lot in your dream car or being stuck at the bus stop. It determines whether you get the keys to your first home or get rejected for an apartment rental. It can even stop you from getting a new phone without a massive deposit, or prevent you from launching that small business you've been dreaming of. It feels like a secret code you just can't crack, a gatekeeper standing between you and the life you want. So what is this all-powerful number? Your credit score is your financial report card. It's a snapshot compiled by bureaus like Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion that tells lenders how reliable you are with borrowed money. It's a summary of your financial history. Every loan, every credit card, every payment, all distilled into a score from 300 to 850. It's easy to feel like you're being judged, reduced to just a number. It can feel unfair and incredibly frustrating when that number doesn't reflect who you are. But here's the crucial thing to understand. Your credit score isn't a permanent brand. It's not a judgment of your character. It's a dynamic number that tells a story, and you are the author. And that brings us to the good news. Building, repairing, and growing your credit score isn't some complicated secret reserved for financial wizards. It's a learnable skill. There's a common myth that fixing bad credit takes a decade, that you're stuck with past mistakes forever. That's simply not true. While serious issues take time, you can make positive changes and see real measurable improvement in your score in just a few months, if you know the right moves. It's not about finding loopholes or sketchy credit repair scams. It's about understanding the system, learning the rules, and using them to your advantage. It's about taking control. And that's exactly why we created Finance Code. Welcome. This is your guide to mastering money, building wealth, and decoding personal finance. We're here to give you the playbook. In today's video, we're breaking down the 5 critical factors that make up your entire credit score. We'll show you what lenders look for, expose the common mistakes that secretly tank your score, and give you a step-by-step action plan to start boosting your number today. This is your invitation to take back control of your financial future. So if you're ready to stop getting denied and start getting approved, hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell. You're about to learn the code to unlock your financial potential, and you won't want to miss it. Your credit score is more than just a number. It impacts loan approvals, interest rates, renting an apartment, and sometimes even job applications. The higher your score, the more opportunities and savings you unlock. Payment history makes up 35% of your credit score. One late payment can drop your score by dozens of points. Set up automatic payments, or at least reminders, to stay on track. Credit utilization means how much of your available credit you're actually using. Stay below 30%, and for best results, aim under 10%. Your credit history length matters. Even if you don't use that old credit card, keeping it open helps. Closing accounts can shorten your history and raise utilization. Lenders like to see variety: credit cards, auto loans, maybe a mortgage. A healthy mix shows you can manage different kinds of credit responsibly. Every time you apply for a new credit card or loan, a hard inquiry is added. Too many, too often, and lenders see red flags. Only apply when you truly need to. Mistakes happen. From incorrect accounts to identity theft, errors can hurt your score. Check your free annual report at least once a year and dispute any inaccuracies. Credit growth isn't instant. It takes months or years of consistent good habits. But every smart step today builds the financial freedom you want tomorrow. Don't fall for these traps: maxing out cards, ignoring due dates, applying too often, closing your oldest account. Each of these can set your score back months. We've covered a lot of ground, and now it's time to bring it all together. Think of this not as a list of rules, but as your personal blueprint for financial freedom. This is the master plan. First and foremost, make your payments on time, every single time. This is the heavyweight champion of your credit score, accounting for the largest portion of it. Set up automatic payments. It's a simple, powerful strategy that makes consistency effortless and protects you from a simple mistake costing you points. Next, keep your credit card balances low. We're talking about your credit utilization ratio. A good rule of thumb is to stay below 30% of your total available credit, but honestly, the lower, the better. High balances can signal financial stress to lenders, so paying them down is a quick way to boost your score. Third, protect the length of your credit history. That old, dust-collecting credit card you never use? It might be your most valuable player. The longer your credit history, the more seasoned and reliable you appear to lenders. Think twice before closing old accounts, as you'd be erasing years of positive history. Fourth, aim for a healthy credit mix. Lenders like to see that you can responsibly manage different types of debt, like revolving credit from cards and installment loans like a car payment or a mortgage. It demonstrates your financial versatility and capability. Fifth, be strategic about applying for new credit. Each application can trigger a hard inquiry, which can temporarily dip your score. Space out your applications and only apply when you truly need it. Sixth, become the guardian of your own credit report. Regularly monitor it for errors or signs of fraud. You're entitled to free reports from the major bureaus annually. Use them. It's your financial health record, and you are its primary doctor. And finally, the seventh and perhaps most challenging principle: be patient. Building excellent credit is a marathon, not a sprint. It's about consistent, positive habits over time. Following this blueprint isn't just about chasing a three-digit number. It's about unlocking a world of financial opportunity and security. It's about hearing you're approved for that dream apartment, or securing the funding to launch that business you've been dreaming of. Ultimately, it's about achieving true peace of mind. The kind of peace that comes from knowing you have a strong financial foundation, ready to weather life's unexpected storms and seize its greatest opportunities. Your future self will thank you for the small, smart steps you start taking today. And there you have it, the essential roadmap to understanding and mastering your credit score. We've demystified the numbers, debunked the myths, and given you actionable steps you can start taking today. Remember, your credit score isn't just a random three-digit number. It's a powerful financial tool that unlocks better interest rates, opens doors to opportunities, and ultimately, saves you a significant amount of money over your lifetime. It's a reflection of your financial habits, but it's not set in stone. You have the power to change it. If you had a light bulb moment during this video or found even one tip that you can apply to your life, do us a huge favor and tap that like button. It tells the algorithm that this information is valuable, helping us reach and empower more people. And think of that one friend or family member stressing about their credit. Be their hero for the day and share this video with them. Now, if you're serious about transforming your financial life, make sure you subscribe to Finance Code and ring that notification bell. Why? Because our journey together doesn't end here. We post new in-depth videos every single week, and we've got some incredible topics lined up. We'll be diving into beginner-friendly investing strategies, breaking down how to crush high-interest debt for good, and even walking you through the process of buying your first home. You won't want to miss it. We also want to hear from you. What was the most surprising thing you learned about credit scores today? Or maybe you have a success story about how you boosted your own score. Drop a comment down below. I read every single one, and your stories and questions help build a supportive community right here, where we can all learn and grow together. Thank you so much for investing your time with us today. Remember, financial freedom isn't a distant dream. It's a destination you reach one smart decision at a time. This is Finance Code, where your financial freedom starts. We'll see you in the next video.